Hello everyone, today we'll make how to LED at home. So let's get started. So here we have the components, and this you can easily get it from market. Okay, and this is the holder. So I'll assemble it. So these are easily available now. This is the LED which we will solder, and this is the driver module. So all these are available from e-commerce platforms. So let's assemble it. So this LED I will put it in this heatsink module, and then we'll put it over the casing. So yeah, this you have to press a little because so that it fits and stays in its place. Okay, and you'll get also screws which you can put in these holes so that it remains together. So this way you can assemble it. So let's start by soldering on each of the components, the driver with the holder. Okay, so this white module, this takes the AC input up to 20 volt AC, and this you have to solder it like this, and you must have a soldering iron which you can need to solder this. Okay, so you put it one by one in this hole, and then we'll solder it together. Okay, so let's solder this iron, this holder. Okay, so here I am putting only less solder. You can put more so that it fits good with the AC holder. Okay, now I have soldered it. Now I'll put it in the casing like this, and this part in the lower, so we can give some glues to hold it, or any like Fevikwik or any other gum you can use. Okay, now let's solder the LED part. You have to put it in the hole like this, and it has a positive and negative marked on the LED. So you have to check, and like I have soldered the red wire with the positive and the other ones with the negative one. Okay, so this will supply power to the LED circuit. And now I have the screws which I will put it to attach it together. You can put some heat sink paste also below it so that the heat gets dissipated. So I am using these bulbs at my home, and it's running very good for a long time. Okay, so I am putting the glue. So here I am using a Fevicol. You can use any other glue as well. So just cover it on all the sides. Okay, and you can also spray with some screws. So normally in commercial they will have some other instruments which they use to plug it, but in your home you can just do it with a screwdriver and then club it from other sides. Okay, now put this the glowing part together, and you have to just press it so that it fits it. And here you may not need a glue, because if it is very tight then you do not require a glue. Now I've connected to a holder. Now let's switch it on and see the bulb is glowing. Wow. And yeah, so this way you can easily make a LED at home. So thank you. Please subscribe and give any suggestions. Thank you.